What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Cookmate with another fantastic recipe. Today we're going to be preparing the dreamy, creamy French chicken. So without any further delay, let's roll the intro. Let me just walk you through the ingredients: onions, bay leaves, mushroom, garlic, fresh cream, parsley, thyme, chicken stock, lemon juice and chicken. Okay, let's start off the marination by adding lemon juice followed by some salt and pepper. Give it a good mix and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now let's fire up the pan and add 2 teaspoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of oil to prevent the butter from burning. Now let's place our marinated chicken into the butter and fry for about 3 minutes on each side to give it a little color. Now let's remove the chicken and set it aside. In the same pan, let's add minced garlic, diced onions and some salt and saute it for about 2 minutes. Now let's throw in our chopped mushroom and saute it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now let's make some way for our fried chicken to go in and add 2 bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of thyme. You can also use fresh thyme if you have. Now let's add in a chicken stock and some water. Adjust the salt, add some pepper, put on the lid and bring it to boil. Once the chicken starts boiling, open up the lid and add half cup of fresh cream and mix it well. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Finally, let's garnish it with some fresh parsley, and yeah, that's about it. There you go, you have your dreamy, creamy French chicken served hot with some butter garlic rice, and enjoy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe and welcome to the Cookmate family.